Students, I am your Shobha. Watch and listen, study and score. The Indian land resources. In my previous video, I already completed the types of farming. Now I am going to the next aspect, that is crop season and cropping patterns and major patterns of India or crops of India. So here the main question arises: distinguish between the Kharif and Rabi crops. There are three types of crops are there. First one, the Kharif crop, the Rabi crop and Jaid crop. Coming to the first one, to know about the crop seasons. Cultivation of crops based on the season is called cropping season. First one, Kharif crop season. The crops grown during the rainy seasons are called Kharif crops. The sowing takes place in June-July. When the southwest monsoon starts and the crops are harvested in September-October, rice, jawar, ragi, cotton, groundnuts, tobacco, etc. are the Kharif crops. Then second, the Rabi crops. Sowing takes place in October and December, onset of winter. The harvesting period, February, March, and it starts from summer. Water requirement less as compared to the Kharif crops. The region where the ground is northern and northwestern part of India, particularly Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, etc. Then coming to Jaid crops season, the crops are grown in between the Kharif and Rabi crops are known as the Jaid crops. Cropping patterns of India are the region refers to the proportion of an area under different crop at given time. Cropping pattern of any region in India changes from time to time due to the factor of some most important are relief features, soil climate, size of farms, winter supply, income of farmers, technology, etc. So most importantly, the question arises in examination when they will ask you distinguish between the Kharif and the Rabi crop. You have to give this one, that parameter, Kharif and Rabi, sowing period, harvesting period, water requirement, region where crops grown. Then coming to next, major crops of India are food crops, commercial crops, fiber crops, beverage crops. Food crops are rice and wheat. Commercial crops are sugarcane, tobacco. Fiber crops are cotton and jute. Beverage crops are coffee and tea. So most importantly, what is the food crops? The crops which are grown to provide food for the people are called food crops. Rice, wheat, jawar, pulses, etc. Then what about commercial crops? Commercial crops are the crop that is grown for sale is called commercial crops. That is sugarcane, cotton, tobacco, oil seeds, etc. Then coming to the fiber crops are the crops which provide raw materials for textile industry are known as fiber crops, cotton, jute are the best example for this. Coming to next one here is beverage crops, which are used to produce stimulating drinks or beverage crops, that is coffee and tea. Next item is here, distinguish between rice and wheat. Let us see about rice. It is kharif crop. The alluvial soil is the best suited to grow. It's sown after the onset of monsoon. It is tropical crop. It depends on monsoon. It is grown in the area where there is rainfall above 100 centimeter. Fifth one, it is grown in West Bengal, repeated it is, please remove one, Kerala, etc. Wheat, it is a rabi crop. Black soil is the best suited for this. It's sown in winter. It depends on the moisture of subsoil. It is grown areas where there is less than 100 centimeter rainfall. Uttar Pradesh is the largest producer of wheat. Its growing states are Punjab and Haryana are other states. So, this is all about where the question arises in your examination. Write about anyone, short note, whether rice or wheat. You have to explain about this one by one. If you go on write fully from step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the marks is fixed. So next, commercial crops. Sugarcane. India is the second largest producer of sugarcane in the world, next only to Brazil. The main source of sugar, gur and khandasari. It is an annual crop, requires a high temperature of 21 degree to 26 degrees Celsius and heavy rainfall ranging from, most important aspect here is to 100 to 150 centimeter rainfall. Alluvial soil and loamy soil are best for this. Producing states are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Gujarat and Andhra Pradesh. Next coming examples are, or not examples but it is a side heading, tobacco. It is a tropical crop, require high temperature of 21 to 23 Celsius and moderate rainfall of 100 centimeter. It requires chemical fertilizers. India is third in the world producing tobacco and fourth largest exporter of tobacco in the world. Then coming to the fiber crops, that is cotton. It provides the raw material for the cotton textile industry in India. It requires a 21 to 24 Celsius temperature and a rainfall of 50 to 100 centimeter in a year. Black cotton soil is best suited for its growth. It is grown as kharif crop. India is the third largest producer of raw cotton in the world. So, next item is beverage crops, coffee and tea. In India, it is the tea second largest producer in the world, next after China. It grows best in a deep and fertile soil rich in humus. Tea is mainly grown in Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Then role of horticulture and floriculture in India. There is a question about horticulture. Write a short note, horticulture. If it not come, the floriculture comes. You have to write these points in all books. These are same. It is cultivation of fruit, vegetable, flowers and medicinal and aromatic plants known as horticulture. India is second largest producer of fruit, vegetable next to China. Production of fruit is 11% and vegetable is 7%. Indian states like Andhra Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra are the horticulture places. Now coming to the floriculture. It is the cultivation of flowers for commercial purpose. It plays a significant role in Indian culture agriculture. India is known for the art of growing flowers since time immemorial. Flowers like jasmine, cosandra, rose, marigold, etc. Fourth one, floriculture mainly developed in the Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Haryana and West Bengal. So most important questions relating to this chapter, answer the following one or two sentences. What is Jaid crops? Season. What is horticulture? What is floriculture? What is beverage crops? What is fiber crops? What is meaning of food crops? What are the commercial crops? Next question. Answer the following question in 3 or 4 sentences each. Distinguish between Kharif and Rabi crops. Distinguish between rice and wheat food crops. What are the conditions required for sugarcane cultivations? There is slightly mistake, spelling mistake is there, please correct it. Condition. Then fourth one, write about horticulture in India. Thus, these are the most important aspects that I am dealing with you. Thank you.